CrossfireX is a first-person shooter video game released exclusively for the Xbox One and Xbox Series XS on February 10, 2022. It is the third installment in the CrossFire series. Remedy Entertainment worked on the game's single-player campaign, while Smilegate Entertainment led the development of the game's free-to-play multiplayer portion. CrossfireX is a first-person shooter and the console version of CrossFire. The free-to-play multiplayer component is similar to Counter-Strike: Global Offensive, which sees two opposing teams, representing two hostile private military factions, compete in game modes to complete objectives. Classic mode sees the attacking team attempting to plant a bomb, while the defending team has to stop them. All players are equipped with standard weapons. The Spectre mode is a variation of the classic mode, though the attacking players are Spectres, who are only equipped with knives, but they can stay invisible when they are not moving. There is also a modern mode, in which the two teams need to fight for maintaining control over two objective points in a map. The single-player portion, which would not be free to play, consists of several operations. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.